23,077 Greenfield Road, the Advanced Office Building here in Southfield, Michigan. Got a pair of elevators. That button should work, but we'll find out. Those indicators look like Haughton. These actually might have been Schindler Haughtons, but we'll find out when we go inside. Notice how the bell is still tingling. Okay, we're gonna go to 5. Snapping on 1. Going up? Which one are you going to? 4?
Yeah.
Have a good day.
You too.
Schindler Haughton, I believe that used to say. Okay, I guess there's no 5th floor, so. Why the button doesn't work? Notice they got clever and they put the name of the building over the old indicator. Now we'll see if we can switch. Either 5's broken or there is no 5th floor. Find out here in a second. It's cool that you can hear the bell tingling. These are innovation eye lines, and this has a newer universal button since it's clicky. But now I want to get this elevator. Okay, I guess there's no 5th floor, so we'll look at that indicator. Nice. Okay, we're gonna end it on LL. I like that green indicator. I might run the video out here on now. Alright, that'll be it.